Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello everyone, good evening, happy to see you. I am Nahid, an anchor of this program. Welcome to our talk show program. Today we are going to discuss on importance of learning English, and here you can see our respectable participants. Okay dear, let's introduce with them. First of all, here's Mr. Faros, I student.
Hi.
And on my right, Mr. Turzo, I student.
Hi.
On left, Mr. Lubdhok, I student.
Hi.
On my right, Mr. Suhel, I student.
Hello.
And finally, Mr. Agni, I student.
Hello.
Okay, dear viewers, let's get started our talk show program on importance of learning English. At first, I'm coming to Mr. Poros. What do you think about today's topic? Please say something.
Thank you. You know that English is an international language. It is a foreigner language in our country. It is important of our life. I think everybody must learn English very well.
Thanks a lot. Next, I am coming to Mr. Turzo. Could you please say something about it?
Sure. You know that English is very important in our life. We need to learn English to communicate with the people of the whole world. And that's why I think that everyone should learn English. And that's all.
Well, next I am coming to Mr. Lubdhok. Do you support this? I mean, what's your opinion? Please share with us.
Thank you. I think that English helps us in many ways. All the books of higher education are written in English, so we all should learn English, and that's all.
Thank you very much. Now I am coming to Mr. Suhel. Do you support this? Please you have to say something about today's topic on importance of learning English.
Thanks for asking. We should learn English grammar because grammar helps us learn any language correctly. So I think everyone must learn English very well. That's all.
Thank you very much. Hello dear viewers. Meanwhile, we have known a lot of on importance of learning English. Now I am coming to Mr. Agni. Please say something about today's topic.
Thanks for asking. You know that English is a worldwide language. It can help us in different ways. We can learn English for speak with foreigner, and we can get a business by learning English, and that's all.
Thanks a lot, dear viewers. Meanwhile, we have known a lot on about importance of learning English. Actually, it's a very important topic, and we all should practice English right now. So, dear, thank you very much for joining us. No more today. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and forgive me, please. Okay, bye.
Bye.